Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5 Pro went on sale on 22nd of this month, and with lots and lots of efforts, finally we got our hands on the latest Redmi Note 5 Pro. Here we go, a rapid unboxing of the flash sale killer.
So before that, this is Ram and you are here in Tech Forum, so let's get right into it.
This is the package, which is a 4GB variant, which is sold for 13,999 Indian rupees. Now let's go ahead and open up the package. We got a silicone case, a nice thing. For the first time, Xiaomi had included a case in it. Next, we got our glorious gold variant here. Let's keep it aside and continue. To the next, our regular reading materials. Don't want to bore you. Moving on, a regular 5V 2A charger. No fast charger here. And finally, a regular USB cable. Now let's check out the device. A good heft to it. Let's see a specs overview while I finish setting up the device. It is powered with latest Snapdragon 636 CPU and Adreno 509 GPU. All these are backed up with 4000 mAh battery with a Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0 support to it, so it can juice up the beefy device pretty quickly. The other specs are displayed on the screen. Now let's talk about the physical aspects. The Redmi Note 5 Pro sports a 20MP front camera, a LED flash, earpiece, and 5.99-inch 18:9 aspect ratio display with a decent 403 ppi. To the back, it sports a iPhone X style 5MP depth sensor camera supporting the main 12MP RGB shooter with a flash placed between both the cameras, followed by a fingerprint sensor and a Mi branding to the back. Moving to the right, we got a power button and volume rockers. To the left, a hybrid SIM tray, which supports dual SIM or a micro SD card and a nano SIM to it. To the top, we got a higher blaster. Finally, to the bottom, it cramps a 3.5mm headphone jack, regular USB port and a mic. That's it for placements. Checking off the software, we got the latest MIUI 9 to it. Here we got around 53GB left out of 64GB. And it comes with Android 7.1.1 out of the box with a December security patch. Hey, we got the face unlock update. I will update it later and update you guys. Now let's move on to the hype, the cameras. Here are the few samples shot around. The initial impressions seems good. I will be coming out with the in-depth review of the first customer product, so stay tuned. And if you do like this, hit subs and do like and comment for more awesome content like this. Until then, this is Ram and I'm signing off.